Probably the craziest surprise we've ever done on George the Rescue was when I dressed up as Santa and then got into a police cruiser, and the back of a police cruiser, mind you, and then Officer Mike drove me over to the Munt house to surprise them and let them know we were coming to help them out. Obviously it was bittersweet because the reason we were there is because Mr. Munt passed away from a heart attack the year before. This is something that the town of Union, New Jersey did, where they would go around to different houses and deliver presents to the kids within the community. And so they had some presents for Victoria and Harrison, who are the kids, and then we decided that we'd give a present to the whole family, Danielle, the mother included, which was those renovations that are probably stressing you out, definitely stressing you out, we're gonna come and we're gonna take care of. And so we came in, lights flashing, fire engines, police cars. It was pretty unnerving, actually. I think I just chitter-chattered the entire way, and then Officer Mike pulled in. Obviously, I couldn't get out until he let me out, and then they did their thing. I think the mayor was there. Man, I mean, I'm telling you, it was a to-do. The whole community came out. I mean, this was jingle all the way and then some. We presented Harrison with a present. We presented Victoria with a present. When I say we, the police officers did. And then they said, we have one more gift. And I guess Danielle Munt is known to say, well, at least before we came to the rescue, oh, I could really use George to rescue on this. Well, she got her wish. And voila! Ho, ho, ho! With the holiday season approaching, I'm joining forces with the township to give the Munt family a very special gift they deserve and will never forget.
My mom loves George's Rescue. So do we. Like, we love it so much.
I'd be so relieved, so happy. The kids would think it's hysterical because I'm constantly talking about George.
Whenever there's a problem in the house, she's like, we need George.
She is very hardworking, and I feel like she needs a reward for that.
George the Rescue, if he came to our house, my mom would go berserk.
Hey, Officer Mike.
George, good morning. How are you, sir? Good to see you again.
I'm jolly. I am so excited to be part of Operation Gift Drop with you guys.
Operation Gift Drop is a wonderful program. 200 families are randomly selected to have gifts brought to their children via Santa Claus.
I need some sort of disguise.
We got that for you here. All right, you want to go get dressed?
Let's go.
All right, let's go.
Ho, ho, ho! Oddly enough, this is not my first time dressing as Santa. A bowl full of jelly, right? I'm gonna throw my bowl right into my pants. I'll tighten it up, man. Give me as tight as I can go. Oh, I've gotta lay off Mrs. Claus's cookies. Oh, they're so delicious, though. 'Tis the season to be rescued. Where's Rudolph? This is not the sleigh I anticipated, but hey, all better for the surprise.
Usually when people are in the back seat of my car, they're not as chatty as George.
Listen, officer, I promise I was just delivering gifts.
Well, you're gonna unfortunately have to explain that to the judge.
It's pretty funny to see somebody with this much energy for a change in the back seat.
This is one of the coolest things I've ever done.
We are coming in
This is
hot.
it, man. This is no test drive. Holy smokes, I guess we're doing this, huh?
Yeah, we're doing this. You ready, George?
As ready as I'll ever be.
All right, let's get this done. Good morning, how are you?
Good, how are you?
It's good to see you again. So good to see you again. Guys, you were nominated for Operation Gift Drop from the town. So we have Santa brought us a little something for, this is Victoria there. Mayor, why don't you go ahead and give that to him? We have one more surprise for you. It's actually for the whole family. And I really hope that you guys enjoy this surprise. All right, Santa, can you give it to them? Do you mind?
I know, that's kind of what I do. Danielle and Munt family, you guys know who I am.
You know who that is?
George Oliphant. I host George the Rescue, and thanks to Officer Mike and the mayor and your amazing town here in Union, they let me jump in on Operation Gift Drop, dress up as St. Nick, and we're coming to the rescue.
When George removed his mask, I was in disbelief. George came to our rescue.
Now you're gonna have to become friends with my son on Fortnite.
It's like a miracle that this is even happening. Best Christmas ever.
Happy holidays! Let's get this rescue started. Round up the elves! Please continue to watch our videos, share our videos, find us on NBC, subscribe, comment, the works. and have a very happy holiday and an amazing new year.